Tattoos in the morning at Grandma's?
Yes, tattoos. Ready? Watch, ready? Whoa, sweet.
All right, so it is day 3 of our house showings this week, which means we moved into Jamie's mom's house because these little chickens are little tornadoes. So living there just wasn't realistic to like keep it clean. There's probably, what, 100 showings?
Yeah, like 20 showings a day probably, so for the foreseeable future.
And our realtor wanted to keep it on the market for a week and then look at offers. So we are staying with Jamie's mom, which is wonderful and great, but we're living out of our car a little bit and, you know, kind of in suitcases.
Yeah, show them the chaos there.
Oh yeah, it's a little, yeah. Oh, gross banana. Okay. So, and then we brought a bunch of other stuff to my sister's house, so we're kind of just like super chaotic right now. So I actually sold something on Facebook Marketplace, a kid's little outfit, and I was like, oh shoot, that's at my sister's house. So I have to come pick that up, and then we're gonna ship that out today. We have to go get some lunch. We might take the kids to the Jumpaline Park and just stay out of our house because we are not welcome there, but apparently 150 other people are walking through my house right now.
It's like every half hour all day, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
It's great. It's amazing.
It's great, yeah. But I mean, it's great because we're going to have competition.
Yeah.
A lot of people wanting it. It looks great. It shows great. So
it looks really good.
we hope it'll be worth the extra hassle of moving out and, you know, we'll see.
All right.
We even brought our lawnmower over here. It is in the garage, so. All right.
Thanks, Anna.
Is this what you're...
That's the goodies.
Right here?
There it is.
Shipping this
Show
out.
them that cutie pie. Uh-oh. What's going on out here? What's the matter?
It is black.
Oh, no. Wait for us.
Maybe look, they're roasting the coffee over here. Look at that. Whoa. What do you think?
Good.
Isn't that cool? Sweet.
Whoa, that's awesome. What's it smell like?
Yummy.
Do you like coffee?
Yeah. Is this coffee in here?
It is.
That's the coffee.
Whoa.
What do you think, crew?
Good stuff.
Is this the best morning ever?
Oh my. What? You can do it. All right, so we're gonna take a quick break to talk about today's video sponsor, Jackery.
Jackery is really handy for winter emergencies, which we have a lot here in Michigan in the wintertime. We often get 6 to 12 inches of snow at a time, and it knocks power out sometimes. And so having the Jackery is really handy because we can power our refrigerator to keep our food from going bad, a lot of different stuff that is really handy. Traditional gas generators give off carbon monoxide, which is extremely unsafe, not to mention you're burning fossil fuels and putting carbon into the atmosphere. So what's awesome,
No good.
yes, the Jackery is clean energy. It's quiet, completely silent, so you can still sleep without
That's my favorite part.
Yeah, a motor going. "Ah."
It's really just a good thing to have it in your emergency toolkit because emergencies happen. So if you want to be prepared, Jackery's the way to go.
Yeah, we'll put a link below. Check out all the different ways you can use Jackery in those winter emergencies. Let's get back into the video. So this past year was very chaotic for us, and we were pretty burnt out on YouTube. If you follow along with our channel, you know we took some time off. We also have a new giant project we're beginning, and so we kind of just wanted to refocus and plan around that. So
Yeah, so this new house is my dream house. It's an old Tudor style, and I'm so excited to design something totally new and different than I've done before. Our house now that we're selling is very like modern, black and white, clean lines everywhere, very mid-century type stuff. But this house, I want it to be more like old world, like jewel tones, color, textures, just like very organic, if you will. So I'm really excited. And part of our plan with our channel during this process, oh my word, Ruby, she's got socks in her mouth there. That's gross. Is to take it slower. With our current house that we're in, we were so focused on like, let's get in, let's make this perfect, like immediately. And we wanted it to be like pristine and perfect to like, I don't know, entertain or something like right away. And it was so stressful. And I feel like we did stuff that we just like hurried the process. And for this new house, I want to like slowly pick out perfect pieces that I love and like, just like take our time with it and be okay with kind of taking it slow.
So we've said before, we value having a simple life, and our life was definitely not simple this past year. So even though we're taking on this new project, we want it to be not stressful, and we also want to take you guys along for the journey too. So we usually, with a lot of our DIY stuff, we'll do like a full project in a video, before and after, and it's pretty edited, but we wanted to throw some vlog stuff in here like this just to show you what real life is like. Living with girls, working with kids, and trying to do YouTube and all this stuff. So we hope you enjoy some of the vlog style stuff we're going to be doing this year as well.
Yeah, I'm excited to dive into it for sure. I think it'll be just more real, you know, less editing, more real life.
Keeping it real.
Just, you know,
yeah,
this stuff. So I am going to go mail out my cute little package here. I paid $2 for this little guy, sold it for $22 on Facebook Marketplace. It's adorable, it's vintage, really cute. So we're gonna hang out the rest of the day with the girls, see our cousin, go hang out with grandma, spend some family time together, which is very refreshing. So even though this week is really chaotic with us not being able to really live in our house because so many people are walking through it, we're trying to just take it slow, enjoy some family time. And yesterday I like read part of a book for a while.
She's not a reader either, so that's impressive.
Well, I'm also don't have time. Like we work at night, we hang out with them during the day. Like I don't have time to sit and read a book, and yesterday I did, and it was awesome. So this week has actually been really refreshing, even though it's chaotic. We have tried to just take time to like sit. Yeah. And we never do that, and it's been great.
We're excited to show you guys the new house. We decided we're going to wait until our current house is under contract, which we're hoping by the weekend is. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you guys next time.